1947. De Beers launches a diamond is forever. The most successful demand engineering in the history of luxury goods. It installed a default. Acquiring a significant gemstone required an occasion. That occasion required a gift giver, typically a man, and a recipient, typically a woman. The buyer was rarely the wearer. For 75 years, the colored gemstone market inherited this default. Every jewelry house operated within it. That era is ending. The growth in fine colored stone acquisitions over the past decade has not come from the engagement ring channel. It has come from a buyer the marketing materials seldom described. Women. Aged 35 to 65. Professionally accomplished. Acquiring for their own collections. No gift narrative required. 3 stones repeat in their baskets. Paraiba tourmaline. Heated Ceylon sapphire at unusual saturation. Mayhinge spinel. None would be a safe gift choice. Each is chosen by a collector who knows what she wants and requires no external validation to choose it. The performance basket is curated for her. 5 species. A quarterly cadence. A self-purchaser's rhythm. Build your basket now. Skyjems, Toronto. Since 1967.